day, committee participants, ladies and gentlemen. Allow me to introduce our team. We are from Sahid University, and our team is Mary Safarwati, and I myself, Herta Armianti Sumarjo, as team leader. We'd like to present our community service activity at the Rasamala Airpetra. Now, allow me to share screen. As you can see, our topic is about accompanying the community dealing with problems as effect of the COVID-19 pandemic. Our activity consisted of two aspects, which are to strengthen the community's entrepreneurial spirit and to accompany the community with parenting and study from home situation. The reasons we organized this activity was because of the impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic on the society, which among others are economic problems and parenting problems. These two problems seem to be dominant among other problems because, as we can see and maybe experience, that there is a major drop in most economic activities. And for those who still have school-age children, they have been facing parenting problems because of the situation caused by the study from home program. Our focus on the community living around the Rasamala Airpetra, Menteng Dalam Tebet south of Jakarta, because we have been partners in organizing community service programs since 2018. This is the Rasamala Airpetra. Airpetra stands for Ruang Publik Terpadu Ramah Anak. It is a child-friendly public space concept for healthy organizing, parenting, and welfare empowerment activities. We chose this Airpetra as our partner because it is located so that it's kind of corporate social responsibility activity. Then, the community living around this Airpetra belongs to low social economic status group, which means they need assistance. The third reason is because the community need accompaniment for their economic as well as parenting problems. The last reason was because the community have a high passion for entrepreneurship. Here you can see several pictures of our programs in 2018, 2019, and last August 2021. The activity was held on February 23rd, 2021 via Zoom meeting with 28 participants, including our team, the Airpetra, and the village head. As mentioned before, materials delivered were about entrepreneurship and parenting. The parenting session consisted of two sessions. The first session was about family communication, delivered by Mary Safarwati, who discussed tips for family communication during the pandemic era. The second session of parenting was about accompanying children in the study from home situation. This topic was delivered by myself, Herta Armianti Sumarjo. Subtopics discussed were about changing learning and playing patterns and situation due to COVID-19 pandemic, various parent role, adjustment to the changing situations, tips to accompany children with their study from home situation. At the entrepreneurship session, the main topic delivered was about entrepreneurial spirit involvement in the pandemic and new normal area. This topic was delivered by Sandiliana. Subtopics discussed were about definition of entrepreneurship and entrepreneur, important elements in entrepreneurship, advantages and disadvantages being an entrepreneur, steps to start a business, and at the end, visuals about examples of successful home industry business were shown. Souvenirs were distributed to participants of our webinar. They were sent to EPETRA, who distributed them to the participants. These souvenirs were meant as reminders of health protocols and as a reminder of being environmentally friendly. As a conclusion, we could say that EPETRA is a very useful medium for the community's problem solving. Through this institution, the community is not only able to gain healthy playground for their children, but they also can get various advantages through counseling, education, and other activities organized by the EPETRA, cooperating with other institutions such as Shahid University. As parenting problem never stops, further parenting consultation would be needed. And as home industries grown in this community are not yet well established, further consultation on maintaining business they have already started would also be needed. So there is still a need to continue such as our community program at this EPETRA. Finally, we have reached the end of our presentation. Allow us to express our gratitude to all who provided us support. Good day. Thank you.